lost against the glass. Another night that's come and passed. Your sweater's still hung on the chair. I reach for you, but you're not there. I talk to shadows on the wall, pretend you're just out for a call. But silence screams inside this room, and every breath just smells like gloom. I should be healing, I should move on, but every step feels so damn wrong. How do you forget the soul you knew, when every beat still leads to you? I still feel you here, in the quiet, in the dark, in the echo of my heart. You're the whisper in the wind, the ache beneath my skin. I try to let you go, but you're woven in my fear. No matter where I run, I still feel you here. Your laughter lingers in the hall. It catches me, then I fall down into memories too deep, where even dreams won't let me sleep. I see your face in strangers' eyes. I chase the ghosts of your goodbyes. I hold the past like it's still now, but I can't change the why or how. They say time will heal this pain, but every sunrise feels the same. The world moves on, but I'm stuck in place, haunted by the warmth of your face. I still feel you here, in the music, in the light, in the silence of the night. You're the tear I never show, the part I'll never let go. You're the name I say in prayers, hoping someone hears. No matter how it ends, I still feel you here. Maybe love like ours was meant to burn and leave a mark with every turn, but I'd walk through fire again just to hold your hand, my friend. I still feel you here, in the echoes of our song.